Your heart is beating fast. You have the perfect ideas, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. Does it sound familiar? Hi, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Advantage. I'm here to help you speak with confidence at work, whether English is your first, second, or foreign language. Today, I'm showing you the exact system I used to go from silent observer to confident speaker in every meeting. And if you're watching this as a non-native English speaker, stay with me. I have got special insights that changed everything for me. Let's get started. Part 1. The real reason why you are silent. Let's tackle the biggest myth first. You are not afraid of public speaking. You are afraid of being judged. Think about it. When you're explaining something to a friend, do you get stuck? No, you don't, because you trust them. The problem in meetings isn't related to your speaking ability. It's that you're playing disaster scenarios in your mind, and such questions pop up in your head. What if my idea sounds stupid? What if I say it wrong? What if everyone judges me? Hey, stop. Calm down. No one is thinking about you as much as you think. Everyone in that meeting is worried about their own performance. They're not sitting there waiting to tear you apart. And for my non-native English speaker friends, here's something powerful for you. Your accent is not a weakness. It's proof that you're brave enough to operate in a second or foreign language. I've seen people with perfect English get ignored because they had nothing valuable to say. And I've seen non-native English speakers leading meetings because they focused on the value of their words, not the perfection of their speech. If you want to learn the tactics for how to speak up in meetings without fear, watch the next part. Part 2. The 3-second tactic. Once I was in a meeting with some executives and I had the solution to the problem they had been arguing about for half an hour. But I waited and waited, and then someone else said something similar and got all the credit. Then I started using this 3-second tactic. This is not to finish your thought, but just to start. Say, I have a thought on this. Or, can I add something here? Or even just, hey, I have a quick question. This works because starting is the hardest part. Once you break the seal, the rest flows naturally. Your brain stops overthinking and starts problem solving. I literally count in my head. 3, 2, 1, start. It may sound silly, but believe me, it works. Try it in your next meeting. You will see how efficient it is. Part 3. The magic phrases. Do you know that more than half of the professionals say they have amazing ideas in meetings but never share them? Please, my friend, don't be one of these people. Now, I will give you 3 magic phrases. These will help you contribute ideas even if you're not 100% confident. Here they are. 1. I'm curious about... Questions are contributions too. In some good meetings, I observe that smart questions are the driving force. 2. Here's a different perspective. Use this when you disagree. It's non-confrontational, but still powerful. 3. Can we pause on this for a second? This is your emergency brake. When the conversation is moving too fast and you need a moment to contribute, this phrase gives you space. Hey, non-native speaker friends, if you need a second to find the right word, say, give me 1 second, I want to say this correctly. People respect precision. They'll wait for you. Don't worry. Part 4. How to prepare. If you want to boost up your speaking performance in meetings, the secret lies in what you do before. So, I suggest you a short 10-minute pre-meeting routine. First step. Review the meeting agenda and write down 1 point you'll contribute. Just 1. This takes the pressure off. Second step. Prepare a 30-second version of that point. Practice it out loud. Yes, actually speak it to yourself. You can practice it in front of the mirror. This isn't weird. This is preparation. Third step. Determine the best moment to speak. Is it at the beginning? Is it after a specific topic? Plan your entry point. Here's a bonus tip for my non-native speakers. Write down key vocabulary or phrases you might need. Keep them in front of you during the meeting. There's no shame in preparation. It's so professional. Part 5. Body Language Secrets. My dear friend, let me share something with you. Do you know that first impressions just occur in 3 seconds? That means before you speak, your body language speaks. So, I will share some body language secrets with you in order to help you improve performance in meetings. First, sit up straight. Your posture affects your mental state. Slouching makes you feel small. Second, make eye contact. If you are shy about doing this, try looking at the space between the eyebrows. It is less intimidating than looking directly at the eyes. No one will notice the difference. Third, smile when you start speaking. It relaxes your voice and makes others more receptive to your ideas. And keep your arms free, do not cross them, and watch your hands. Your hands should be visible at your sides when you are sitting. Also, when speaking, your palms should be open and relaxed. What about virtual meetings? You can position your camera at eye level, eliminate backlighting, and unmute yourself early so you're ready to jump in. Practice makes perfect. Here's your assignment, my dear friend. In your next meeting, use one of the tactics I shared in this video. That's it, and see what happens. And if you want more career confidence strategies like this, hit that subscribe button. Now, go speak up.